Can you believe that 2019 is coming to an end? Yeah, it's just around the corner. And before you know it, we're going to begin not only a new year, but a new decade. 2020. My friend's calling it the Roaring Twenties. And while the Leo in me is so excited to roar into a new year, the end of the year usually requires some quiet time. Energies are low. It's a time for getting centered. What might sound better to you is a getaway. A getaway where you can curl up with a cup of hot coffee in front of a roaring fireplace, a stone hearth in a farmhouse. Ooh, and imagine this farmhouse is nestled in some beautiful, lovely rolling mountains on the edge of a charming New England town. How does that sound? Well, we can make that dream come true because I've been invited to bring a mandala program to the Rowe Center in Rowe, Massachusetts. It's located in the northwestern part of the state. It's a really beautiful location. What I'm excited about is every year I like to get myself centered as I look back on the previous year with mandala projects. There's the Seed of Life, which is based on sacred geometry. I create Labyrinth Mandala art that gives me an opportunity to explore the twists and turns of the year that I just had as I get centered and reflect on where I want to go and what I want to bring into that new year and what I want to release and let go. I love to create mandalas inspired by nature. And just as we see flowers blooming, I reflect on how I can bloom where I'm planted. This sounds lovely to you. I hope I have the opportunity to share my practice of creating and connecting with other kindred spirits like you. This mandala weekend is more than creating mandala art. I also bring in my practices of leading inspiring soul journey guided meditations. I'm known for creating these beautiful envelopes and giving them to participants in many of my workshops. And I'm going to be designing 2 beautiful envelopes for this weekend. And tucked inside will be oracle cards and inspiring messages that will give you an opportunity throughout the weekend as another way of tuning into your intuition and the wisdom of your soul. This weekend sounds like just what you need. I hope you'll join me at the Rowe Center. That's December 6th, 7th, and 8th. And you can get more information on my website at truenortharts.com/Rowe.